Hello Form 2 students. Today we will go on 10.6 manipulation of surds. So we will go through part A in this video. Properties of surds. Please take out your class workbook and write down the learning target today. Evaluate the square root by using properties of surds. Okay. Let's take on some example to observe the properties of surds. For part A, left-hand side, square root 4 times 9 equals to square root 36, okay? And for right-hand side, square root 4 equals to 2. Square root 9 equals to 3, so it will equals to 2 times 3. And square root 36 equals to 6. 2 times 3 is also equals to 6. So you can see that the answer of left-hand side and right-hand side, they are equal. Seems like the third form can be distributed to both 4 and 9, and then multiplication of these two surds. Okay, so let's go on some more example. Part B, square root 4 times 25, square root 100, right? Square root 4, 2. Square root 25, 5. So 2.5. 2 times 5, okay? So what are the value of left-hand side and right-hand side? Are they equal? Yeah, they both equals to 10. Okay, and so on. You can take a look on part C, both equals to 12. Part D, 3 times 5, 15. Square root 225 equals to 15. So we could say that the square root, okay, can be distributed to the numbers inside if it is a multiplication. Okay? So that square root A times B can be equals to square root A times square root B. Okay, seems like the square root can be distributed to A and B and then multiply each other. Okay, so we have the property of surd like this. Let's have an example. Square root 4 squared times 10 squared. So the square root can be distributed to 4 square and also distribute to 10 square, distribute to both. Okay, and then the square and the square root will cancel each other. So it equals to 4 times 10 equals to 40. Okay, and then one more example, 6, 7, 6. We will do the division by the factors. Okay, so 6, 7, 6 will equals to 2 square times 13 square. And then we distribute the square root. Okay, and square root cancel each other, so equals to 2 times 13 equals to 26. Some more example. Part A, it will equals to square root 9 times square root 144. So it equals to 3 times 12. 36. Part B, we will do the division and find that 1089 will equal to 3 square times 11 square. Okay, distribute the third form, and then it will equal to 3 times 11 equals to 33. So do you get the property of the surd? Okay, now how about it is a division inside a surd form, okay? Square root 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So the left-hand side, part A left-hand side is square root 4, okay? And right-hand side, square root 16 is equal to 4. Square root 4 is equal to 2, okay? So are they equal? So both of them equals to 2. Okay, one more example for part B. 144 divided by 9 is 16. Okay, and then the right hand side is equal, the square root for each of them is 12 divided by 3. So this time they are equals to 4. Okay, and so for part C, so that you can observe that for division, the square root can be distributed to both 16 and 4 and then divided by each other. So we can say that square root a times b equals to square root a divided by square root b. Okay? So it seems that if it is a division, the third form can be distributed to both of them and then do the division. Okay? So an example, distribute the square root to 68 and 81. Okay, so it equals to 8 divided by 9. And then part A, distribute the square root, so it equals to 11 divided by 10. For part B, we need to change it into improper fashion first, okay? 12 times 4 plus 1, so it is the numerator. Okay, so it will equal to 49 divided by 4. And then we distribute the third form to both 49 and 4. So it equals to 7 over 2. Okay, so do you get the property of third form for division and for multiplication?